Hi, we are back and we are going to see if these two can match their skills and see who wins the Khanswering machine round. We'll do these small fun games and if you answer them correctly, we will see whether Zeba or Vindu wins this.
I'm gonna win it. I know.
What's the game, man? What are we doing?
I'll tell you. I'll name different foods related to ours and you will have to, I'll speak those words in English and you will have to repeat them. What is the Hindi word for it?
I will.
Very funny.
You?
What's so funny?
You'll answer the Hindi words?
Of course I will.
First word to Zeba is fenugreek.
Methi.
Ah.
She said.
He didn't know he's faking it.
Okay. To you,
To you.
licorice.
Liquor? What is licorice?
Black.
ये कौन सी चीज है भाई? Licorice. अरे आपने कभी सुना है क्या licorice?
Of course सुना है. Licorice.
मैंने liquor सुना है.
नहीं,
बहुत पिया.
Okay, let's
Bindu.
go on to the... No, that's going to be a
Hint.
secret.
No, I have
way.
to win this.
No, I'm going to tell you
Please.
who afterwards. You have said the first one, right?
Right.
Yes.
And now second one, I'm not going to give you the answer of
Done.
it at all. Now the next word is shallots.
Pyaz.
प्याज. हाँ वो तो.
Spring onion.
Yeah.
Desi onion. Hara pyaz.
Losing too
अरे
badly.
she is some champion cook है.
Nutmeg for you.
Nutmeg.
Jaifal.
हाँ वही है. अरे ये कुछ पढ़ के आई है. ये this is rigged. आप सोचो ये आगा खानी मुझे ऐसे मार सकती है. धड़न 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 धड़न.
Okay.
हिंदी भी बोलते हो?
Semolina.
Of course, मैं.
Okay, semolina.
वो क्या है?
Save.
Huh?
Save.
Semolina is
Plum.
Aloo bukhar.
हाँ आलू बुखारा. बुखार
आलू
नहीं.
बुखार.
आलू
I have
बुखारा.
to- You're going back further
अरे ये
and
क्या है?
further.
बहुत hard है ये.
आलू बुखार आपको
आलू
चढ़ गया
बुखारा.
बुखार
बुखार नहीं है, आलू
please,
बुखारा.
आपको बुखार
And now, pumpkin.
come on
अरे
कद्दू दूधी
नहीं नहीं not कद्दू. It is
दूधी
no pumpkin is
सी पंजाबी लोग क्या
अरे
कहते हैं मेरे
we call it
हस्बैंड
something else, अरे.
स्क्वैश मैं पंजाबी
बना दे आज तू
स्क्वैश
उधर गोल सा
दूधी
तो बोलते
दूधी
हैं, नहीं दूधी she loves to eat
Saffron.
that
के साथ.
केसर आपका है कश्मीर
no
का.
I see it's
she's too
no
fast okay let her win.
Turnip.
शलगम
no I know it radish turnip please
बोल चुका शलगम.
okay चलो जाने दो जीत लो
नहीं आप जीत चुके.
नहीं मैं I'm a
What
winner
shall we do now? Tell me.
she won.
Okay, now is the time for the right answers. You wanted it, right?
Yes,
Okay, so the
please.
first one, which was fenugreek, you got
Methi.
it because you said methi. Then, of course, there was licorice. It was mulethi.
I've never heard of that
मुलट्ठी,
Okay,
अच्छा.
2 points. Shallots.
No प्याज.
Chota pyaz. But you didn't say it, she said it.
she's too quick.
Nutmeg. Again, Jaipal. So what do we do with you with... Okay, then aloo bukhara. Again, she made it. Then after that, we said pumpkin. Kaddu.
I really feel कि कद्दू नहीं उसका नाम कुछ और है और मैंने आपको बताया कि उसका नाम है भोपला.
पर कद्दू
चलो,
भी
चलो,
सही
you
है
win.
And then we said saffron. And this time he won.
no we were together
Okay,
No, I
tie.
think-
he did not nick
Okay,
me
she
on the
wants to
finish
give.
line we
I said केसर immediately you said.
even I okay I said it
Action
and
replay कर लेंगे.
Then we said turnip. And
Both
we
of
said
them.
shalgam.
yes
So since he's got 2 and you've got 4, so should we give him a second chance? One more?
okay
Huh? Bindu, what rice is specifically grown in the Indian continent?
बासमती चावल. Aha.
So now who do you think, folks, we should give? Should we give it to Vindu or should we give it to
no
Zeba?
I'd rather give it to him poor chap I am full of I feel you
नहीं I should give it to you because मुझे लगा था मैं जीत
Okay,
जाऊंगा.
okay. There's no reason to fight. I think you have both been so sweet. So I'm going
Thank
to give
you.
1 each to both of you.
oh my
तो
god
दे दूं?
Vindu, you help
For
because
the
it's
beauty
too
with
heavy.
brains.
thank you
And there's one
beauty I don't know
There's one
but
other right here for
God.
yourself.
अच्छा मेरे लिए भी है.
lovely
My
oh
wife will be happy.
It was so nice having you all, and I can't tell you I appreciated that you have all come.
thank you
And we'll keep meeting again and again.
thank
Yes.
you God that is so nice
We'll be back with more recipes, fun and loving people and their wonderful stories. So continue watching Spices and Secrets. See you again at our next big meal.